Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my money turn review. It's time to find out if it's legit or a scam. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. So Money Turn is the latest money-making application that is promising you guys real-life cash for playing games on your mobile phone. The thing that I noticed about Money Turn though is that unlike other money-making applications we've covered on this channel so far, Money Turn is actually promising you guys extra cash just for using their application. So not only can you apparently earn real life money just by playing the games on Money Turn, but they also have an investor side on their application. Now, I've never seen something like this before where an application will promise you a return on your gameplay investment. And the way they're able to achieve this is by using the in-game coins that you generate on Money Turn, and then they'll give you a certain percentage extra as a thank you for playing their application every week. At least that's what I've seen so far with my personal experience on Money Turn. When I first joined up, it said I had to wait 7 days or so for me to get my return on investment. And the way that you can actually increase the amount of return you generate from your investment of coins is by just using the app daily. Because on this application, you actually have investor levels. And the more you use Money Turn, the more your investor level goes up. It's pretty straightforward once you actually start using it. And I have to say straight off the bat, I do like this kind of feature on a money-making application, but I will talk to you about some little concerns I have later on in this video. But for now, I want to talk about my personal experience using Money Turn. I just would like to say, if you're enjoying my videos, please remember to hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, and join my free newsletter. Links in the description below. Thank you so much, guys. So the actual layout and design of Money Turn is extremely simple. All you do is install the application, and then you should have a whole bunch of different games or applications that you have to install to start generating coins. Luckily enough, here in my country of Australia, I'm actually able to now get rewarded for the time I spend in the game or application. So instead of completing levels like we've seen on applications such as AppFlame or Moneywell or Cash 'Em All, Money Turn actually allows you to earn per minute, which is a fantastic feature, and I'm very happy that developers are starting to implement this system back into their money-making apps. Now, the amount of in-game coins that you generate from each individual app will be different, so please keep that in mind as well. It's not like every single application is going to reward you with the same amount of coins per minute. Obviously, the more you play applications for, it takes longer and longer for you guys to generate coins. But if you've ever used one of these money-making applications before, you'll know exactly what to expect, okay? We've covered probably at least 5 to 10 of these type of applications on the channel so far. Thankfully, I had an abundance of different applications and games to actually play on Money Turn, so there was no shortage there, which is great to see. Usually I was only limited to 3 apps or games at a time, but I noticed if I checked back the next day, new games and applications were there for me to install, so I have to give them credit for that as well. There's an installed applications tab on Money Turn where you can check out all the different applications that you've actually installed and earned coins on, plus it gives you a basic rundown of how much time and how many coins you've actually earned on Money Turn per application. So that's always good to check up on just to see where you guys are at and what applications are earning you the most amount of money. Now, moving on to the actual cash out methods on Money Turn, there are 2 different methods that you can use at the current time of this recording, including PayPal and iTunes. My PayPal cash out went all the way up to $26 worth of Australian currency, while my iTunes went up to $15 worth of Australian currency. So thanks to the earn per minute system on Money Turn, it really wasn't a big deal to generate the coins because I didn't really have to go through level by level on this application. So that was really good, but on the flip side, ladies and gentlemen, it took me roughly 13 hours or so to generate only about $2.50 worth of Australian currency. So while I'm happy that they allow you to earn per minute on this application, in my country, earning $2.50 for 13 hours of having applications running on my phone really is not worth it when it comes down to it. And as I said, the earning actually gets harder the longer you use these applications for. So while I am happy that they allow you to have this investor program where you can get a certain percentage back, which in reality would probably go up to maybe 15 to 20% max by the end of the week, I really can't justify the amount of hours it takes to generate only $2.50 worth of real life currency. What I suspect the developers are doing here is that they're trying to entice you with this investor program while really skimming you off the amount of coins they're rewarding you on their applications. Because the investor program has a little gimmick to it, everyone. If you don't use their application for a day, you actually lose one of your investor levels. So that's another downside to MoneyTurn in my personal opinion. I understand they're trying to get you guys to stay active on the application, but when it takes so long to earn cash on this application already, you don't want to really be punished for anything else. Now again, this is all my experience here in Australia, so please keep that in mind. Your country might be completely different. Just remember as well, I have many different top ways to earn online videos on my channel, so please don't forget to check out the channel after this video for many playlists, everyone. I can't stress it enough. So now it's time to find out if MoneyTurn is legit or a scam. I tried to cash out 3 times to my PayPal account, and I'm happy to say 2 of those PayPal cash outs have hit my account already, and I'm currently waiting for the 3rd one. It should only take you guys 2 days generally to get your payout, so please keep that in mind. At least that's what I personally experienced. But yes, MoneyTurn is legit. Whether or not you want to spend your time on this application or if it's meant for you, that's completely your choice. Thank you all for watching. See you all in 2 days. Catch you around.